everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2017 Chevrolet Corvette, and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlights. It's just your regular factory headlight lens, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be linked below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So to prep the headlight, all you need to do is apply Slip Solution to the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, start removing any contaminants that the headlight may have. And then once you're done prepping the headlight, we can start with the installation. Okay, so now we can start with the installation. So apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And all you need to do is just align the tint to this section of the headlight first. So align it there. Once you place the film, we need to anchor this section of the tint to the headlight. So to secure it, all you need to do is apply Tack Solution underneath the film. Keep it aligned. Once you have it aligned, apply Tack Solution on top. We're going to use our squeegee to secure it in position. And also just make sure that you remove any solution that's trapped behind the film. Make sure it's secured, and now we can move on with the rest of the installation. So all we need to do is a light stretch until this section of the film reaches this edge of the headlight. So just stretch it. Once you have it there, grab your Tack Solution and lift the film carefully and apply Tack Solution on this section as well. That way we're able to anchor the film. So hold it in position and start tacking it down. And then now we can work our way with the rest of the film in the middle section here. Just hold it in position, apply Tack Solution on top. That way our squeegee is able to glide and help us tack down the film. And now that we secured the whole tint, now all we need to do is make sure there's no water bubbles behind the film. So what you can do is clean the film. That way we're able to see if there's any water bubbles behind the film. And then once you're done making sure that everything's good to go, the last thing to do would be to post heat the entire film so we can secure it to the headlight. So the last thing to do is to post heat the entire headlight. So to post heat, apply Tack Solution onto the headlight, and we're going to use our heat gun and start applying heat all over the film. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster. And we're also going to use our microfiber towel to help remove any solution that's trapped behind the film, and also just helping tack down the film as well. And then once you're done with this whole step, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2017 Corvette. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.